Hey guys, back here with another tutorial on how to make a iPhone game. This is the second tutorial. If you didn't see the last one, I suggest you go back to that. Um, we started making the .h file or header file, which where we define all of our variables that are going to be in our game. It's very important. So I guess you can pause it here, or you can go back to that other video. But I did do. Um, but yeah, you should definitely go back if you want to understand. Um, Alright, let's get started again. I actually made a few errors in the last video as I was thinking, um, and it's with these three right here. So what I wanted to do is I want to make this an NS integer, and I want, oh no, sorry, I want that to be a point because we're going to be using this as um, to move our ball, and we need a point to point to. And so this will be an NS integer, and this will be NS integer. And if ever you see on the little thing that pops up a right arrow key, um, it does the auto completion for here. So you can see in gray right there. I have it's called code sense, and it'll finish what you are typing. Um, so if I hit the, I don't know if you can see my finger, and if I hit the over button, it will autocomplete, and so I don't have to type the whole thing out. Um, Alright, and then also down here, I didn't change any of these UI image views to labels. So this is a label, computer score is a label, player score is a label. Alright, those are the only labels. I'm just going to go ahead and do Command S to save. I don't want to lose any of this. Okay, those should be all the properties for IB outlets. So now let's make property. And this one's just going to be non-atomic. And we'll call this rebuild. And I'll be right back. Someone's at the door. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, let's get back to it. So we'll have, we're going to make this a property, and it's going to be non-atomic. It's going to be a point, and it's going to be ball velocity. Next, we're going to make at property non-atomic. We're going to say NS integer. And then I actually forgot to add this back here. We also want NS integer and game state. Alright. So we're going to make this game state. Alright, and we can go ahead and save that. And now we're going to do one last thing in the .h file. It's going to be our last thing for a little while. And we're just going to make a IV action. And we're going to call it reset. And we want it to have a variable, and I want it to be a boolean. So that's going to be yes or no. And I'm going to call it new game. Alright, and then we'll, yeah. Alright, and basically all that is it's saying we're going to create a new action. So that would be like when you click a button, when this happens. This is just the name, and it's going to have one parameter, which is new game. And we're not going to use this for a little bit, but it's nice just to have it in there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and save that. We can close this window. We want YouTube view controller. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set up some of the interface. So we're going to go resources, and then YouTube tutorial viewcontroller.nib. It's XIB, but it's commonly known as nib. So double click that, and interface builder should pop up. Yeah, you can see it's popping up right down here. Alright, there you go. And here it is. So if you don't have all of these windows open, you can go where is it? Tools. And you can see inspector, all of this stuff. That's just all of these. Alright, so now on this, in this, we're just going to set up the very basic field and everything. We're going to just make ourselves have a white background, just to make it easier later. White. And then we'll take a UI image view. Should be right here, or right at the top of library. And we'll take image view and we'll make it the whole screen, and then drop it. And then we want our image to be, oh, we haven't added any images yet. Alright, let's go back and see in our resources folder. Here, one quick set. Let me take it from the regular game. Alright, I'm just going to make a folder, new folder. I'm going to name it, and I'm just going to name it Untitled. And then I'm just going to take, these are the ones that I have already got. You can make your own, or you can download them from somewhere. We basically just need like a little yellow paddle, a pause button, it's nice to have a default loading screen, then like just like a little tennis ball like this, and a court. All of those are nice to have, and actually I'm gonna need them all in that one. I don't know why it won't go in there. There we go. Alright, so I can exit out of that. Alright, so now we'll take this. We can highlight them all, and these are all of the pictures that you'll need right here. And we take them and we'll drag them over here into our resources. So it's right there. It'll ask us in Xcode. It'll pop up with this menu. Sometimes this won't be checked, but you definitely want to check that. And then click Add. And then now you have all of these. And what this allows us to do is in here we can hopefully here we'll have to quit interface builder, and actually I'm gonna have to stop this video right here because I'm running out of time, but we'll pick up where we left off in the next video and continue on in making our game. Thanks.